And 3 people have been arrested in connection with firing on BJP workers. This is the latest update coming in, arrested by Barakpur Police Commissioner. Let me straight away go across to my colleague Tapas for more on this. Tapas, so 3 people in connection with firing on BJP workers have now been taken into custody.
Well, yes, 3 persons have been arrested. However, BJP claims that these 3 persons are connected with Trinamool Congress, and one of them was very clearly visible from inside the car where this the video was shot from. And 3 persons have been arrested. Police says their political affiliations still not known. They have been interrogated. What we learned from the sources that they could have been given the responsibility to carry out an attack on Priyank Pandey, a noted BJP leader in Barakpur area and very close to Arjun Singh. But more details are to be awaited. Questioning as we speak is going on right now. They will be produced in court, and more details would be shared by the police commissionerate there at Barakpur subsequently. Back to you.
Right. Also, for the benefit of our viewers, could you just tell us what exactly had happened? Because the report suggested that BJP leader Arjun Singh had alleged that several rounds of bullets were fired at their party leader Priyank Pandey, despite the presence of Assistant Commissioner of Police. Any further information that you've managed to gather on what exactly had happened?
Well, see, Arjun Singh had claimed that there were around 6 to 7 rounds of bullets fired on Priyank Pandey's car, and it was an attempt to murder him. And this is not perhaps for the first time that he came into the target, but there were several attempts previously as well. And Arjun Singh, he is known for his allegiance towards Arjun Singh, close to Arjun Singh. And as far as Bhatpada and Barakpur is concerned, Arjun Singh remains to be a very powerful leader, be it while he was in Trinamool Congress and now here in BJP as well. So he has a very strong connections in Bhatpada and Barakpur, good political connections there. So it was an attempt that Arjun Singh claims to silence the voice of Priyank Pandey, and this was an attempt to murder him. 6 to 7 rounds were fired. He alleges Trinamool Congress hand into it. However, Trinamool Congress have rejected and denied any such allegations labelled by the BJP. But as of now, situation in Bhatpada remains to be quite volatile. More forces have been deployed in different points in Bhatpada and elsewhere in Barakpur as well. So the situation remains to be volatile in one side. On the other hand, the standoff continues between the Trinamool Congress and the BJP. The blame game continues between these 2 political parties now. Back to you.
So once again, Tapas, we are seeing today things taking a violent turn on the streets of West Bengal. Yesterday also, we had seen during this protest by a student organization how it became a big political issue as well. Tapas, now one more question that I want to ask you, because yesterday Union Minister JP Nadda had slammed the West Bengal government and the police of indulging in high-handedness, and over 200 odd student activists were arrested, were detained in fact by the cops, and BJP was also demanding the release of these people. What is the status as far as those student activists are concerned?
Well, see, as far as Kolkata police is concerned, total 153 persons have been detained and some were arrested. Those arrested will be produced in the court, but several of these students and the protesters in particular have been released, and there are a number of persons who have been arrested will be produced in the court. And on the other hand, there are several arrests in the Howrah Police Commissionerate area as well. Now the police is trying to ascertain that how come such a huge turnout happened, why they did violence, was there any information given to them pertaining to carry out violence in those barricading points where we had seen that police and protesters had clashed. There were several stone pelting incidents. Some police officials had also sustained injuries. So based on that, cases have been registered against several individuals. They'll be produced in the court, and police is trying to ascertain whether this was an organized crime or they did it since police had to resort to the water cannon and tear gas shells. But we had seen that as far as Kolkata police is concerned, at Howrah Bridge, they had...
Tapas, I'm just interrupting you there. Request you to stay on with us. There's some action that we can see in Sabyasachi's frame. Sabyasachi, over to you.
Well, Agni Mitra Paul, the BJP leader, is here at the Goriahat Mode. You can see that the tussle is going on and Calcutta police is detaining the workers out here, the BJP party workers who had gathered against the heinous crime. Now these party workers of the BJP are being detained by the Calcutta police. Now on the other hand, let me show you the visual. Now Agnimitra Paul is being detained by the Calcutta police. Now Agnimitra Paul, there's a tussle going on between Agnimitra Paul and the Calcutta police. Now we had seen that in the same location. It was first Rupa Ganguly who was detained. Now clearly see how the Kolkata police is detaining the BJP party workers, dragging them from the streets of Goriahat and detaining them. The police in fact have already stated that they would not allow any sort of commotion, any sort of gathering out here. Now Agnimitra Paul is speaking with the Kolkata police officials. Now she is also being detained by the Kolkata police. This has been the action throughout the day. We have seen that whenever the BJP leader has hit the street, they have been detained by the Kolkata police. We will try to get a word from Agnimitra Paul.
কোন থানায় নিয়ে যাচ্ছেন? কেন নিয়ে যাচ্ছেন? কেন নিয়ে যাচ্ছেন? কেন নিয়ে যাচ্ছেন? কেন নিয়ে যাচ্ছেন? যখন রাজ্যি করে গুন্ডারা ঢোকে তখন আপনারা কি করে? হ্যাঁ, যখন রাজ্যি করে গুন্ডা ঢোকে তখন কি করেন আপনারা? তখন তো কিছু করতে পারেন না। আজকে সুপ্রিম কোর্টের নিয়ম, আজকে রাজ্যি করে ইনসিডেন্টের উপরে মিছিলের উপর অ্যাকশন নিতে পারে না।
मैम सभी बीजेपी नेताओं को डिटेन किया जा रहा है। मैम सभी बीजेपी लीडर्स को डिटेन किया जा रहा है। इससे पहले रूपा गांगुली को भी
हमारे विरोधियों का मुंह बंद करने का कोशिश करें।
Well, clearly on your screen you can see that Agnimitra Paul is being detained. She spoke exclusively to Times Now. She says that the state machinery is afraid, and that is the reason why every single party worker of the Trinamool Congress, of the BJP in fact, is being detained whenever they are in the street. This has been the situation of the Kolkata city, that the BJP party leaders who have hit the street since morning to protest against the central government, to protest against the atrocities that the West Bengal police has carried out against the students, which the BJP has been alleging. They are detaining every single leader of spoke to us.
আপনাদের ধিক্কার, বললাম তো আপনাদের ধিক্কার।
Unprecedented scenes we are seeing on the streets of Kolkata at this point in time. Yet another BJP leader has been picked up by the police out there. Sabyasachi getting us all the updates. Sabyasachi, we heard Agnimitra Paul clearly saying that attempts are being made to silence the opposition. And one after the other, all other BJP leaders who are hitting the streets as the party is observing a Bengal Bandh across the state of West Bengal are being detained by the cops. Sabyasachi. Okay, we'll try and go across to Sabyasachi in just a bit. Okay, Sabyasachi, over to you.
Let me show you the visuals. Agnimitra Paul being detained. Agnimitra Paul being detained. Before that, Rupa Ganguly was also detained. And the bus, let me show you the visuals. See, glasses are being shattered. The glass window of the bus in which the BJP party workers were being taken, that particular glass of that bus has been shattered now. The pieces of glass are lying on the road. The Trinamool Congress party workers have gathered out here, large numbers. The Kolkata police also here in massive numbers. All of them are protesting against the BJP. The Trinamool party workers who have gathered here, they have been continuously sloganing against the BJP. Any of the BJP leader hitting the street, they are sloganing against them. go back slogans are being raised, and Kolkata police immediately detaining every single leader, be it Rupa Ganguly, be it Agnimitra Paul, be it Kostab Bagchi from the Barakpur railway station, or several other leaders have been detained from various locations across the city. Whoever is coming on the street to hold the protest now, Rupa Ganguly as well as Agnimitra Paul, both of them were here. They were trying to speak to the locals out here, asking them to follow the Bandh. You can see massive deployment of Kolkata police here on the street of Godiahat More to stop any sort of movement from the BJP party workers to gather out here. Immediately they are being detained by the Kolkata police, and the Trinamool party workers also immediately coming in to protest against the BJP leaders. Now the BJP have been stating that this is nothing but dictatorship. We spoke to Agnimitra Paul, we have spoke to Rupa Ganguly. All of them have said that the state machinery is afraid of the protest that is going on in the city, and because of the state machinery being afraid, that is why the leaders are being detained.
Well, there are charges, there are counter charges. BJP says this is anarchy clearly that we are witnessing because of the dictatorship of the current government of West Bengal. On the other hand, the TMC has been saying that it is BJP which is trying to create anarchy in the streets of West Bengal. That's going to be our top focus ahead as well. Thank you, Sabyasachi, for the moment, for joining us with all of those details. Slipping into a very, very short break, but there's lots lined up for you on the other side as well. Don't go anywhere.